Are you ready to throw yourself into the intense Pokemon battles? Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. Pokemon Champions arrives on Nintendo Switch on April 8th, 2026 with Pokemon Champions and Starter Pack bundle that'll also be available that day. This bundle includes the base game along with in-game benefits like added Pokemon storage space, an extra battle song, and more. Nintendo Switch 2 players will be able to download a free update to the game that allows you to enjoy the action with even clearer graphics. In Pokemon Champions, you'll engage in Pokemon battles like the previous Pokemon titles. These battles will use familiar mechanics such as Pokemon types, abilities, and moves, giving players the battle strategies that they know and love. A mobile version of Pokemon Champions is also on the way, and you can even battle cross-platform between Nintendo Switch and mobile devices. You can link it with Pokémon HOME too, so you can bring Pokemons over from past Pokemon series games and Pokémon GO. Mega Meganium, Mega Emboar, and Mega Feraligatr will all show up in Pokemon Champions. They originally appeared in Pokemon Legends Z-A, but after undergoing Mega Evolution, some of these Pokemon will have never-before-seen abilities in Pokemon Champions. Mega Meganium will have Mega Soul, which lets the Pokemon use its moves as if the weather were harsh sunlight. Mega Emboar has the Mold Breaker, which causes its moves to be unaffected by the ability of the target. Mega Feraligatr uses Dragon Eyes that turns normal-type moves into Dragon-type moves and boosts their power by 20%. Whether you're looking to reach the top in ranked battles or enjoy some easy-going casual battles, Pokemon Champions will surely deliver plenty of fun when it arrives for Nintendo Switch on April 8th. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any notifications.